Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD 2017 tutorial. In the last video we created opening for a door and its symbol, and in this video we will create opening for a window and its symbol. So let's start. To create opening for a window, first of all type L line command in the command line and then press enter, and then click in the middle of your wall and move in the negative y-axis. First of all, you have to decide what is the size of your window. If it is 6 feet in length, then you have to take offset of this line 3 feet on left side and 3 feet on right side, so that we can develop 6 feet window. For this purpose, now we are going to use offset command, type O and enter. The length of this offset 3 feet, enter. Select this line and click on the left side of this line. Again select this line, click on the right side of this line, then press escape, select this line and select the middle line and delete with the help of delete button. You can also remove the middle line with the help of E command, that can be used for erasing some elements. For if I want to use erase command, I will type E and enter. AutoCAD will ask me to select objects. I will select this line and then press enter. You can see clearly the line has been removed. Now I will use trim command to remove unwanted lines. I will type TR and enter, and then perform my selection on which I want to implement the trim command. Then press enter again, and then I will select all these lines which I want to remove. Okay, now we can clearly see the opening for the window has been developed. Now it is time to create symbol for the window. Symbol for window consists of 4 lines. I will type L and enter, and I will create a line at this point, and then I will take offset or enter 4 inch. Then I will take again offset 5 inch. Then I will take again offset 9 inch, as the whole wall is of 9 inch width and the window symbol must be of 9 inch width. As it takes a lot of time to develop a window symbol in all the different locations of your plan, so there is a shortcut with the help of which you can easily develop window symbol at multiple various locations where which we want to create the window symbol. I will delete this 4 lines. ML command is basically that type of command which means that to draw multiple lines between 2 points. Before using multiple line command, you must perform some settings that can be performed with the help of a ML style. Now I will use ML style command. I will type ML style, enter. Dialog box of multiple line style settings will be opened. Press on modify button. After that, on the right side of element portion, you have to add 4 layers. By default there are 2 layers with a value of 0.5 and minus 0.5. Add 2 layers, 1, 2, and change the value of each layer type. Select one layer and type 9, then select another layer, type 5, then select another layer, type 4, and then you enter. And then you can see that entering all the number from 0 to 9. So last value was minus 0.5. I'll again change it to 0. Now press OK and then press again OK. Now I will use ML enter. ML means multiple line command. And then after typing ML, AutoCAD will ask me to specify start point of this multiple line command. I will click on this point and then end point of my multiple line command. Now we can clearly see we have created a window symbol for our window. Let's create window on this side of a wall and on the left side of wall. I will create a line at the middle point of this wall. Now I will use extend command, EX enter, and then again press enter. I will click on this point of the line, and then in this point of the line press escape button, and now I will use offset command to take 3 feet copy both sides of this line. I will type O and enter, and type 3 feet, enter. Select this line, click in the upward direction y-axis, and then click minus y-axis direction, and then press escape. Select this line and delete. Now I will use trim command, TR enter, and click on unwanted lines which we want to remove. After that I will type ML and enter. Click on this point, just click on this point, then press enter, then again ML enter, click on this point and again press on this point. Now you can clearly see I've created window opening and also window symbol very quickly with the help of multiple line command. The next phase is that if you want to create window symbol for 4.5 inch wall, there are two ways to use multiple line command. Number one is that you have to create a different style with the help of ML style command, ML style, and then press enter, and then after typing ML style enter, this dialog box will again open and then press new. You will have to assign a name, for example half window. Okay, and then make sure spaces are not given here. So after that press continue, and then after that you can change the value according to your wall width. Now I'm going to use second type of technique for creating this same symbol. So I will type the same multiple line style, I will type ML enter. I have to use now this sub command that can be seen in this these brackets. By clicking this scale command, I will be able to decrease the scale of this design multiple line style. Now I'm going to make it in a half with the help of 0.5 value. I will type 0.5 and enter, so that now I will take 4.5 inch, and then I will use a fill command, F enter, press on this line and this line, and then after that I will again type F and enter and click on this line and this line, and then I will remove this line and enter. Then I will type O enter, and I will take 3 feet on both sides, but this time the width of window is half of the 9 inch size. Now I will use TR for trimming. I will type TR and enter and remove unwanted portions of the line. TR enter. Okay, now we'll use ML enter. Now you can clearly see the value, scale value I have changed to 0.5. Now I'm going to click these 2 points, and you can clearly see that it is now the half size of the previously developed window. So that's it for this video lecture. In the next lecture we will move towards the layer section.